Replacing the air filter begins with finding the filter housing, which is usually located next to the engine. To access the filter, remove the housing cover. It may be secured with latches or, as in this case, with screws. Remember, be careful not to damage the cover while disassembling it, and do not lose the latches or the screws. The casing must be reclosed tight. Keep going, you're almost there. Alright, after opening the housing, remove the used air filter and clean the filter chamber from any debris. You can do this with a vacuum cleaner or, for instance, with a damp cloth. It's time to mount the new filter. After removing the filter from the package, it is worth visually verifying the condition of the filter to be sure that it hasn't been damaged, for example during transport. A comparison of a used filter with a new one will make you realize just how many microscopic impurities are retained by the filter. When inserting the filter into the housing, make sure that the filter gasket fits snugly and is not pinched when closing the cover. Next, put on the housing cover and fasten it so that the housing is tight. To conclude, we would like to refute the myth about cleaning the filter with compressed air. Despite many opinions, the mechanical cleaning of the air filter does not improve, but actually worsens its filtration ability. Only regular filter replacement is able to ensure effective air filtration.